Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler, and today we're going to be showcasing some new products from Iceman Collections, STS Decals, Automodeler magazine, and our friends at Round 2 Models. Come on in, let's check out the new stuff.
This video is brought to you in part by Iceman Collections, the best in 3D printed parts. Head to his website and get some today. And also our friends at STS Scale Model Decals, custom water slide decals for any of your modeling projects. Go to stsdecals.com for more information. The Autistic Modeler is excited to be involved with Automodelers magazine. Get all the new tips and tricks along with kit reviews and show coverage. Be sure to pick up yours today. The Autistic Modeler is proud to be partnered with Round 2 Models, the makers of great kits from AMT, MPC, and Polar Lights. Get yours today.
Well, alright, first let's talk about the STS Decals. These nice folks here make a set of decals for the Sundowner kits. You can get this style here, and they have several other colors. Now you don't have to worry about those pesky people that bought up all the Sundowner kits and then selling them for a premium, because all you need to do is get this kit here plus any one of these that STS Decals make. They're super high quality. I've worked with Terry for a long time. He makes great stuff. I bought one of each color. Got them in green, black, tan, gold, blue, and also the Sundowner version, just like what comes in the kit. And they're only $7 per set. You can get them on his website at stsdecals.com. Be sure to check them out. Be sure that Louie from the Autistic Modeler sent you over there. And he'll be happy to hear that. So check those out. Brand new products. They're high quality. He's got lots of stuff on his website for other different builds. And different movie-themed decals and trucks and all sorts of things you could not even have thought of. So be sure to check his website out. All right, let's check the new stuff out from Iceman Collections. All right, next up, we got new products from Iceman Collections. First, we got these really nice four-wheel drive wheels. They can go on your favorite four-wheel drive. Got the front hub there. They look really nice. Excellent. They're multi-piece, so the rim will come out of there so you can paint the tire up and decorate it. Then we have another set of wheels here. These are early style 50s four-wheel drive wheels, 50s and 60s. They're really thin. They can put them on the new issue Round 2 64 and make that a four-wheel drive, or any of your favorite pickups. Pretty cool stuff. Very high quality. And we're going to save the best for last. We have the Wet Bandits from the Home Alone TV movie, and they're pretty cool. Look at that. They're super detailed. He's even got his shoes off where he fell down the basement, got his shoes stuck in the tar. It also includes the Macaulay Culkin figure. All that. So that way you'll have yours when they bring out the Home Alone Wet Bandits van right there. So you'll have that to go along with it. Joel over at Iceman Collections was nice enough to share some of his products with us to go over. So thank you very much. And be sure to go over to icemancollections.com and pick up your stuff. Lots of high quality items there. So go ahead and go through his website and build up an order. And be sure you tell him that Louie from the Autistic Modeler sent you over there. Well, next up, we got Automodelers magazine. This is a really super nice magazine. Nice and thick. There's lots of articles in here, show coverage, tutorials, things you like to do, build-ups. Look at that. Isn't that cool? They made a tune car out of that. Very cool stuff. I'm not going to show you the whole magazine, but there's lots of tutorials, show coverage, like I said. There's some show covers there. The Acme Southern Nationals. Right there. There's a lot of good stuff. My car actually made it in this magazine. Somewhere around here. It's great stuff. Right there. There's mine right there. That made it in the magazine this month. So be sure to pick your copy up. Great stuff. I'm so glad they have a tangible, you can hold in your hand magazine now. A lot of things went digital, and a lot of folks quit buying actually physical magazines. So that's glad that they started this up for us. It's great to see it on the shelves. So be sure to pick up yours real soon. And let's get on to our final sponsor. All right, well, next up, we got Round 2 Models sent us over some Mopars here to build for our channel. First, I'm building this right now. This video should come out real soon here. Probably, I'd say, less than a week after this one here hits. This is a great kit. I'm excited so far to build it. It is a Craftsman Plus, so you don't get an engine, but you get full underhood detail, radiator support, engine firewall there, and underhood detail. It's pretty cool. There's the back of it. Really nice decal sheet. And this is an exciting build. I'm really happy with it so far as I've been going along. And they also sent over the 2021 Hellcat Dodge. This is going to be an exciting build. I've never built the modern Dodge yet, so this is going to be pretty cool to go over. Looks like a big decal sheet there. That's really neat. And then over here, that is really cool detail. Different wheels, full detail. That looks like a picture of the actual interior on the real car. And then there's the back. Right there. Good looking stuff. Lots of parts in there. And then we got the new Duster. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for this one. Me too. Really cool. Nice decal sheets included. Looks like we got some Kragers. Some white leather tires. Got scoopers. We got different engine. We got roll bars. Drag slicks. Bucket seats. Spoilers. This has got it all. Great. Looks like a nice simple build. It's not too complex. Looks like the chassis is from that Demon, which went together excellent. So I'm excited to hear about these. So be sure to watch for these videos coming up soon. And as always, I'm the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.